Hi everyone, this is Matteo, the Chief Mobile Opinionist here at Tech Travel Geeks. And this is a sample video recorded on the OnePlus Nord CE3 Lite, the smartphone we recently unboxed and set up here on the Tech Travel Geeks YouTube channel. Now, this is a dual-purpose video. Not only are we giving you a sample video of the video quality that the OnePlus Nord CE3 Lite takes, I'm introducing you to my new kitten. This is baby Teyla. Yes, that's her name. It's Teyla. And she's named, like her other household friends, after a Stargate character. In this case, specifically, Teyla from Stargate Atlantis. We brought her home yesterday. She's now having some great fun playing with Candice and her ribbon. She is really, really small. So obviously we have the Amazon Fire TV remote control for scale. There we go. Amazon Fire TV remote for scale. And that's the iPhone 14 Pro for scale. So if you believe this is not enough, we can do another sample video with a banana for scale. So let us know in the comment what you think about the quality of this video as recorded in daylight in our spare bedroom with baby Teyla. And if you think that it's worth doing another video with this device or another one, to give you an idea of the size of Teyla with a banana for scale. Ultimately, the universal unit of measurement, the banana for scale, is probably required, but she seems to be moving fast. I wonder how this is going to turn out in the actual recording. Just a quick note, if you're seeing this and seeing that it's only 1080p or full high definition video, the reason for that is that the OnePlus Nord CE3 Lite can only record up to that video resolution. And the reason for that is mainly down to the Qualcomm Snapdragon 6 series chipset in the device. More accurately, it's the Snapdragon 695 5G chipset. So that is maybe a limitation of the chipset, but for most users, unless you're a content creator for YouTube, that's unlikely to be much of an issue. But for example, for our little baby Teyla, who's growing very, very fast, I will probably be using for my personal videos devices such as the iPhone 14 Pro, the Google Pixel 7 Pro, and pretty much any device that can take higher quality video. But I think for most people, probably 1080p is more than enough. Anyway, I'll wrap up this video. If you like kitten content, if you enjoy reviews of consumer electronics, gadgets, accessories, check out the Tech Travel Geeks YouTube channel here on YouTube. We cover, as said, consumer electronics, gadgets, accessories, pretty much anything we think makes the travel experience better. And we will soon be releasing some more travel content we recorded in California on our recent road trip. So be sure to be subscribed for that as well. And make sure to also have the notification bell on, because that will give you notifications when we do publish new content. But for now, thanks for watching, and goodbye from us, and more specifically, little baby Teyla playing with her ribbon.